School can be tough, and being consistently motivated to do well can be challenging for our little ones. In today's video, we will discuss what we can do as parents to support them. I am Dr. Taniesha Burke, your positive parenting coach. Welcome to our channel where we discuss the latest research and best practices in parenting, child development, and supporting the family. As parents, we all want the best for our children, especially when it comes to their education. While academic success isn't the sole measure of a child's worth, it plays a significant role in shaping their future. Motivating your child goes beyond simply pushing them to achieve high grades. It's about fostering a love for learning, building their self-confidence, and nurturing their intrinsic motivation. In this video, we'll explore effective strategies to help your child become motivated and engaged learners. The first tip is to create a positive learning environment. A child's surroundings greatly influence their attitude towards learning. Ensure that their study space at home is well lit, organized, and free from distractions. Allow them to personalize the space with things that inspire and motivate them, such as posters, artwork, or motivational quotes. By providing comfortable and inviting area to study, you're setting the stage for focused learning. The second tip is to set realistic goals. Goal setting is a powerful tool for motivation. Help your child set both short-term and long-term goals that are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. And this can be shortened as SMART. These goals can be related to grades, assignments, or personal growth. Regularly viewing and celebrating their progress will boost their sense of accomplishment and drive. The third tip is to encourage passion-based learning. When children are allowed to explore subjects that genuinely interest them, they're more likely to stay motivated. Encourage their curiosity by providing resources and opportunities related to their passions, whether it's science, art, sports, or music. Letting them dive into their interests can lead to deeper engagement with their studies. The next tip is to foster a growth mindset. Teach your child that intelligence and abilities can be developed through effort and perseverance. Emphasize the value of learning from mistakes and setbacks. When they understand that challenges are opportunities for growth, they'll be more willing to take risks and put in the work required to succeed. The fifth tip is to be a role model. Children often emulate the behavior they see at home. Demonstrate your own commitment to learning and personal growth. Share your challenges and success and discuss how you overcome obstacles. Your actions can inspire your child to adopt a proactive attitude towards their education. Our next tip is to offer praise and encouragement. Positive reinforcement goes a long way in motivating children. Acknowledge their efforts and accomplishments, no matter how small. Focus on their hard work and dedication rather than solely on outcomes, and this is tied to growth mindset. This type of positive feedback nurtures their self-esteem and encourages them to continue striving. The seventh tip is to promote time management and organization. Help your child develop strong time management and organizational skills. Teach them how to create schedules, prioritize tasks, and break down larger goals into manageable steps. When they can effectively manage their workload, they'll feel more in control and motivated to complete the tasks. Our eighth tip is to connect learning to real life. Show your child how the knowledge and skills they acquire in school are relevant to their daily lives and future aspirations. Discuss real-life applications of what they're learning and encourage critical thinking about how different subjects connect. Our ninth tip is to provide a balanced lifestyle. Ensure your child has a well-rounded routine that includes time for studies, physical activities, hobbies, and social interactions. A balanced lifestyle contributes to their overall well-being and, most importantly, prevents burnout. Our 10th tip is to have open communication. Create an open and non-judgmental space where your child feels comfortable discussing their challenges, concerns, and goals. Actively listen to their thoughts and feelings and offer guidance and support without imposing your own agenda. And our final tip is to work with your child's teacher. Your child's teacher may have additional insights about how to motivate your child or what they might be struggling with. You can also share any strategies or information that you may have. It's important to work collaboratively with your child's teacher because together you can find the best way to support your child to achieving their goals and also to maintaining their motivation. Motivating your child in school involves a holistic approach that focuses on their individual needs, interests, and strengths. By creating a positive environment, setting realistic goals, fostering a growth mindset, and nurturing their passions, you can empower your child to become a self-motivated and enthusiastic learner. Remember, your role as a parent is not just to push academic success, but about helping your child develop a lifelong love for learning and personal growth. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more positive parenting content, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any future videos. And please share this video with friends or family who may benefit from the content, and do leave a comment in the comment section of the video. Thank you so much for joining us, and goodbye for now.